How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, want to enable screen mirroring on your iPhone but not sure how? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set it up quickly and easily. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open Settings, then go to General, and find AirPlay and Continuity. Tap on it, and you'll see multiple options. Next, select Automatically AirPlay to TVs, and choose either Automatic or Ask. If it's set to Never, screen mirroring is disabled. Choosing Ask means your iPhone will prompt you whenever a connection is detected. Once you've set that up, get back to the home screen. Swipe down to open Control Center if you don't see the screen mirroring option. Then tap and hold the touch to open the Edit controls. Find Screen Mirroring and add it. Now you'll be able to access it easily from the Control Center. That's all for this guide on enabling screen mirroring on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you set it up easily. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.